In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the PayPal Payments plugin in WordPress. We'll be doing this directly from your WordPress.com dashboard, and the process is very simple once you know where everything is. If you want to accept PayPal payments through your WooCommerce store, this plugin is a common option and can be added in just a few steps. To begin, go to your WordPress.com site dashboard and open the My Home area. This is the main landing page for your site settings and management tools, so it's the best place to start if you're installing anything new. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. This section is where you can browse, install, and manage the plugins available for your WordPress site. If you're using WordPress.com, the exact options you see may depend on your current plan, so keep that in mind as you go through the process. After opening the Plugins section, use the search bar and type in WooCommerce PayPal Payments. Be sure to enter the plugin name clearly so the correct result appears. This helps you avoid installing the wrong plugin, especially since there can be several payment-related tools with similar names. When the search results appear, click on WooCommerce PayPal Payments. This will open the plugin page where you can review its details before adding it to your site. It's always a good idea to confirm that you've selected the right plugin before moving forward, especially when it affects checkout and payment handling. Next, click on Upgrade and Activate. On WordPress.com, this option may appear if your current plan doesn't yet support plugin installation. In other words, before you can activate the plugin, you may need to upgrade your plan. If your site is already on a plan that includes plugin access, then you should be able to continue and activate it normally. If you don't currently have an eligible plan, or if you're on a free plan, this is the point where WordPress.com may prompt you to upgrade. That's expected. Plugin installation on WordPress.com is often limited to paid plans, so if you see that message, you'll need to complete the upgrade first before the plugin can be activated. And that's it. Once the plugin is activated, you'll be ready to move on to the setup and connection process inside WooCommerce. Just make sure you're using a plan that supports plugins and double check that you selected the official WooCommerce PayPal Payments plugin during installation.